Hey everyone, are you tired of seeing the same old default font in Microsoft Office? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default font in Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Let's get started. Starting with the classic version of Outlook, follow these steps. Go to Setting and navigate Default Font. Click Font to customize it as desired. Confirm your changes by clicking Save. For Word, follow these steps. Ensure the Home tab is active. In the Font Formatting section, click on the small arrow icon. Choose your preferred font, size, and any additional styles. Click Set as Default. Decide if you want the change to apply to the current document only or all future documents. In PowerPoint, you'll need to modify one presentation and save it as a template. Go to the View tab and click on Slide Master. From the Font drop-down, select Customize Fonts. Adjust the heading and body fonts as desired. Then click Save. Exit the master view to apply the changes to your presentation. For Excel, go to File, then Options. Under the General section, find Use this as the default font. Select your preferred font and size. Click OK. Restart Excel for the changes to take effect. And there you have it. Now you can customize the default font across all your Microsoft Office apps to match your personal style or professional needs. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips.